Right. We're going to show how the machine works. It actually works with a one-touch control by pre-programming the dimension of the cabinet. This will allow the machine to go faster in positioning. As you can see now, it will go fast, 100 millimeters vertical and horizontal, which is adjustable by the panel control, and it will make the cycle. Once it's over, press the button, please. Yes, for end of cycle. End of cycle. So it will open 300 millimeters, which is again adjustable, this dimension, just to have to be as a facility to unload the machine. We have the frontal loading control. Okay, load it again. And now, okay, reset the barriers. Again, cycle again. So fast, and then slow. This is of course possible because we are using, we know the position of the brushes thanks to the brushless motors.
Degrees.
Right, this is the cycle for the 40 miter. 45 degrees. Now this is a bit. One moment. And then you can unload. Moment. Now from the panel control, you can adjust both the dimension of the box, so height, length, the horizontal and vertical pressure, the sequence of clamping, so for a 45 degrees joint box or 90 degrees, and the time of pressure as well. So basically, if you work with programs, it can be, the machine can be faster in positioning. Like now, for example, we are positioning it for a bigger toll unit.